So quick story, the first time I threw on a light bar on the roof of my truck, I was pumped. I flipped it on and I thought I was gonna see everything. Instead, all I saw was a bright reflection off my hood and a wall of dust lit up like a snowstorm. That's when I realized off-road lights are awesome, but if you don't aim them right, they're basically useless. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how to aim your ditch lights and light bars the right way so you actually get better visibility without blinding the guy in front of you or yourself. So off-road lights are powerful, but that power can work against you. A poorly aimed light bar can throw a glare back at you in fog or dust. And ditch lights pointed in the wrong direction means you're wasting output on the wrong part of the trail. Getting them dialed in doesn't take much, but it makes a huge difference out on the road or trail. So let's start with ditch lights. These usually sit at the bottom of your A-pillars and they're meant to light up the sides of the trail, like around tight corners, spotting obstacles, or seeing wildlife before it becomes a problem. Here's how you should aim them. Tilt them slightly downward, angled outward about 20 to 30 degrees. So a good reference, the driver's side you want to be aiming for 10 or 11 o'clock and the passenger side around 1 to 2 o'clock. Avoid aiming them straight ahead, your headlights and light bars already cover that zone. And if you don't already have ditch lights and you're looking to add some to your rig, here are some solid picks. The DIODE SSC2 or SS3, the BAJA Designs S2 or Squadron, and the MORIMOTO 2-banger or 4-banger. These little lights pack a punch and throw the beam exactly where you need it. Speaking of beam, there's different styles. Spot beam, the light is very concentrated in one spot. Flood beam is a very wide light pattern, and combo is a perfect combination of the two. If you're unsure what lens pattern you want, you can't go wrong with a combo lens. This is probably the most popular option. Now for light bars. These are your distance lights, the big dogs. They're built to punch through the dark and light up everything way out in front of you, but only if they're aimed right. Spot beams, keep them straight but with a slight downward angle. Combo beams, let the side floods fill in the foreground while the center spots throw long. If your light bars are roof mounted, you don't want to aim them too high because you'll end up lighting up the sky, and you don't want to aim them too low because you'll get a crazy glare off your hood. Here's a little tip. If you're getting reflection off your hood from a roof light bar, get yourself a matte black hood decal or vinyl wrap. It helps cut glare and makes night driving way easier on your eyes. So here's the easiest way to aim your lights at home. Step 1, park 25 feet away from a wall or a garage door. Step 2, you want to measure the height from the ground to your light and make the same measurement on the wall and mark it. And step 3, aim the hot spot of the light about 2 to 4 inches below that line. Alright, so it's not just about how you aim your lights, it's also about when and where to use them. Every light has a job, and using the wrong one in the wrong situation can actually make visibility worse. Ditch lights, these are perfect for tight trails, corners, and slow technical driving. Great when you're weaving through trees, spotting obstacles just off the sides, or crawling at night. Best for rock crawling, overlanding, tight switchbacks, and spotting trail edges. Light bars that are bumper mounted, these are usually combo beams and great for moderate speeds and general trail lighting. These light up the trail ahead and give you good near and mid-range visibility. Best for forest roads, desert runs, and wide open trails. Light bars that are roof mounted, these throw light far, but they'll light up dust and fog like crazy if you use them in the wrong conditions. Use these when the air is clean and clear and you're moving fast and need to see way ahead of the trail. Best for open terrain, high-speed runs, no fog and dust conditions. And lastly, fog lights and amber lights. If you're dealing with dust, fog, rain, or snow, amber or yellow lighting is the move. They reduce glare and help cut through the mess without blinding yourself. Best for bad weather, dusty convoys, and low visibility nights. So before you flip everything on at once, think about what you actually need. The right light aimed the right way at the right time, that's the sweet spot. And real quick, if you have off-road lighting on your rig, I'm sure you used it before when driving on the road. We probably all have. But most off-road lights aren't legal for street use unless they're covered or switched off. So just make sure to wire them separately and keep it clean. Don't wire them into your high beams or something like that. The last thing you want is to blind oncoming traffic or catch yourself a ticket. Every state could be different, so make sure to check your local state laws to figure out exactly what you can and can't do. So when your lights are aimed right, it's a total game changer. You'll see more, drive safer, and not wear out your eyes staring into the glare all night. I'll drop links down in the description for some of the lights we recommend from DIODE, BAJA Designs, and MORIMOTO. And let us know in the comments, what lights are you running? If you have any questions, drop them down below, and make sure to like and subscribe this video for more content like this. That's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.